Here is the integration of vFunction into Visual Studio Code, leveraging Copilot here on MCP servers. Well, the first thing is you type what are the to-dos, the list of tasks from vFunction with regard to the technical debt and architectural issues in the application. So it goes and it brings, we see there are 98 fixable to-dos from vFunction, and it bucketizes them into different buckets. The first one is framework dependency issues, collaboratingness issues, architectural issues, dead code, and so forth. Then you type, what's vFunction's solution to the cross-domain service dependency or service call. And it goes and it brings the actual solution, a very deterministic and elaborate solution from the vFunction server, right, where all the vFunction analysis is conducted. It goes and brings the solution, and we can see that it essentially types here or presents the problem, the strategy, and the specific classes, the principles of how it's going to solve it, the edge cases, and so forth. And now the user basically types fix the to-do, and it goes to the function and brings the elaborate prompt, which could be even multiple pages, just to go and solve this specific architectural issue in a deterministic manner.